Who are the creative designers behind Nanama McBrown's 7 gorgeous ethereal gowns? Don't go anywhere because we're going to dive into that. But before, I want you to subscribe because today is epic. Let's talk about Nanama McBrown. Today, our Empress is 46 years old. And it's just with joy that we all celebrate this day with Nanama McBrown. Our Empress Nanama McBrown is 46 years old today, and the world is already gushing all over her. Today was ordained 46 years ago that there will be a grand celebration like never seen before to mark the occasion of our beloved actress. And this birthday has been marked with the hashtags of 46 and gorgeous, Her Excellency. At 46, Nanama McBrown looks stunning, gorgeous, elegant, goddess, and indeed befitting to be called Her Excellency. Today, I'm going to focus on the creative designers, the very talented designers, the couture house that has been behind the gorgeous dresses that Nanama McBrown has worn today. So please make sure to subscribe and ring the notification bell if you are enjoying this so far. First, let's talk about her gowns. Nanama McBrown wore 7 gorgeous gowns that has wowed all her fans on social media. Today, social media has just been waiting for this moment to happen. These dresses are all classy, sophisticated, luxury, elegant, and everything that personifies the goddess that Nanama McBrown is. Let's start with the dresses. Number 1 on the list. Nanama McBrown started by making a bold statement with a green corseted kente dress that was classy, chic, sophisticated, and had a beautiful see-through sheer long sleeves that just gave us all sexiness, but at the same time honorable that she is. This dress was designed by Thelma Tay officials on Instagram. Thelma has over 8,000, just over 8,000 Instagram followers, but she has proven that little can be mightier as well. Number 2 on the list is this beautiful lavender lace and satin corset dress. This was designed by Royal Couture Ghana. Royal Couture Ghana has 212,000 Instagram followers. Indeed, he has proven to be part of this bunch. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, okay? Number 3, the white sculptured goddess dress. This dress has been inspired by Gatsbygh's sculptural designs. This dress was paired with a bohemian train drapery. This was designed by Lorraine Haute Couture. This Lorraine lady has a whopping 64,000 Instagram followers to back her worthiness to be part of this bunch. Number 4, the olive dress was accessorized with, you know, the silver ogele. This was also designed by Thelma Tay officials. Indeed, Thelma, I can proudly say that your gift knows no bounds. Number 5, this blue goddess dress. This dress was designed by Shaped by Nelson, who has an Instagram followers of 48,000. He has indeed, as we can see, shaped Nana Ama into a new height of goddesses. Let's talk number 6. This is my favorite because my color is yellow. Despite all this that you're saying, my favorite color is yellow, and yellow is happiness, okay? Yellow is power. Yellow is being in control. Number 6, this yellow mustard sheer dress with flowy feathers. This was the icing on the cake for me. The stunning dress was designed by Nicolene Ghana. Nicolene also has a whopping 49,000 followers on Instagram. And by going through her Instagram account, it appears to me that she has been an inspiration behind many of Nanama McBrown's beautiful dresses that she wears to her shows. So hey, Nicolene, kudos to you because your talent is unstoppable. Number 7, last but not the least on our list, this golden metallic romper. This piece did not do the job for me per se. However, I really appreciated the designer's thoughtfulness by including baby Maxine on this design. You know, she paired the duo up with the similar style of dress when Nanama wore the romper version and then baby Maxine wore the dress. It did not do it for me because the design, it's not all that appealing. However, every woman, a mother, will appreciate a designer who is not selfish but thoughtful, who will love to include, you know, their daughters or their child on a day like this. So, ladies and gentlemen, this brings us to the end of, you know, the beautiful designs that Nana McBrown has worn and the creative house behind these designs. So, ladies and gents, this is Your Excellency, my goddess, and our Nana Ama McBrown. Happy birthday, princess, and may the God whose countenance we all dwell continue to bless, protect, and guide your footsteps throughout the days of your life. Thank you so much and enjoy.